Tell when you are buying you be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you join the KK squad. We lit over here. We lit. As you can see by the title, I'll be doing passion twists. So this hair was sent to me for free by this company called YOUNGTHER hair. I'm reading off my phone. It's a passion twist hair, 18-inch long, bohemian curly, 7 packs water wave for crochet braiding hair extensions. So 7 packs of hair was sent to me for free. Anyways, this is the color T27. I'll be trying color. Hopefully it looks good on me. Let's see. So, and hopefully it's enough. It's 7 packs. I love the packaging. I love Thank you, YOUNGTHER hair. I appreciate it. I really do. Also in the package, they sent me, you know, just ways to use this passion twist hair. They also sent me these cute little clips. So cute. And also this hand mirror. This is so cute. Just a cute little hand mirror. Oh, it matches my nails. And also these little accessories, you know, the little gold clips, silver and gold clips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the amount that comes in each pack. It doesn't look much, but trust me, it is. I already washed and moisturized my hair, so now I'll be adding oil to my rubber bands to avoid breakage. For this hairstyle, I'll be using Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. Also, I'll be using Ampro Pro Style Honey Beeswax Gold. Now I'm parting my hair to do the rubber band method. I am going to be using the jam to do a straight part because in this video I am not using 2 mirrors like I usually use to do my hair. I have no mirror to put behind me to do the parts. So my parts won't be perfect, but this Shine and Jam help a lot with my parting. If you want to see me do my rubber band method way better than this, I am going to link a video down below in the description box so you guys can see that I can do way better. Like I said, to get my part looking straight and clean, I use the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. It helped a lot with parting my hair, and also I use it around my edges, around the pyramid of my hair to keep my hair laid and My hair got dry, so now I'm adding water before I add the shine and jam. Then I just comb that through my hair and twist. So after my hair was done, I wasn't sure if I was gonna upload this video. So this is day two after doing my hair. I decided that I will upload this video. So now I'm showing the final result. I like the hair. I do. It doesn't get tangled easy and it doesn't get frizzy, but I'm not sure if it was the color that threw me off.